everyone, here we have some buttons that today I'm supposed to explain about them. The first one is graphics. That depends on what you need, you can choose one of them. It has pressure, volume, flow, and here we have patient's data, and also we can choose compliance and resistance too. The next is freeze. That if I press it, I can freeze the curves. The next is about respiratory mechanics, that it's useful for doctors, and I just skip it. The next is save loops, that I can save the loops, as you can see, and I can compare the compliance and resistance of lungs before and after the injections. So we have nebulizer here, as you can see. So the next one is help. If you don't know any parameters, you can select one of them, and in this window it explains about it. Okay, now we have standby here. If I press the knob, I can stand by the device. For instance, if your patient is an emergency situation, you can at first pass the self-test, then set the parameters and choose the standby, and after that you can easily start the ventilation. Okay, as you can see, we have another buttons here. The first one is alarm limits, that I can choose and change the alarm limits. Okay, the next one is alarm silence, that I can silence the alarms. The next is menu, that I will explain it later. The next is modes, and we have escape here, and we have control here. If I press it twice, for example, I can calibrate the oxygen sensor. The next is inspiration and expiration pause. If I press it, I can pause the inspiration or expiration. I mean, I can increase the time of inspiration and expiration. Okay. The next is manual inspiration. If I press it, I can ventilate manually. The next is suction O2. If I press the knob, in 60 seconds, device ventilates the patient with 100% of I2, and then the next, in 20 seconds, it lets you suction the patient, and again in 60 seconds ventilates the patient with 100% effect. Okay, the next is lock button, that if you press it you can lock the screen. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and please share this video with your friends and like us, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.